He's my happy. He's not feeling well today. Please pray for him. Hi, baby. Honey. I love you. He's not feeling well. Just go to the clinic. He just went to the clinic. And doctor said nothing serious. Maybe she lack of some vitamin. So the doctor give us this medicine. It's an immune system booster. Plus a little bit vitamin. So far he don't have any infection. Maybe she look a bit tired, but he look a bit tired. I hope my baby can get well soon. He's my happiness and he's my love. Please pray for him. Mama love you, happy. Love you so much.